The release of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE marks the return of the company's fan edition smartphones. With the release of the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE in October 2020, the lineup became visible. The gadget was very popular, but its follow-ups did not enjoy the same level of success. Samsung placed the range on hold and skipped releasing a Galaxy S22 FE last year. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is about to join the lineup at this time. While we wait for an official launch date, the device keeps popping up in certifications. It received approval for the 3rd C certification, revealing its charging speed. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video, and let's get started. When it comes to adding rapid charging into its devices, Samsung continues to be quite careful. Samsung stays up with 25-watt and 45-watt charging on its flagships, while other Android OEMs are going into uncharted territory with 120-watt, 165-watt, and even 240-watt charging. Only the most cutting-edge flagships, like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, have the fastest charging speed. The Galaxy S23 FE will receive typical 25-watt charging because it will be a basic flagship. Additionally, the simple 25-watt adapter won't be provided with the phone, according to the 3rd C certification. Therefore, you will need to buy one on your own. It's important to note that other regions can require a different approach. Regarding technical specifications, the device is anticipated to have a 6.4 inches display. The gadget will have an AMOLED screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Depending on the location, it will either have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC or the Exynos 2200 SoC inside. Up to 256 GB of internal storage and up to 8 GB of RAM are included. The 50-megapixel primary camera is the only one known about. The other sensors are not. The secondary shooter is likely to be an ultra-wide camera. Like the previous phones in the S23 series, the phone will also have OIS. The phone will have a 4500 mAh battery, which should take about an hour to charge at this 25-watt rate, according to Safety Korea. Samsung hasn't announced the launch date of the phone, but it is anticipated to happen in the 3rd quarter of this year. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and hit the like button to support the video, and we'll see you in the next one.